Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a suction cup. Make sure to work on a clean, flat surface to avoid losing any small parts. 1. Power off and prepare. Start by powering off your Lenovo IdeaPad 5. Unplug all accessories and ensure that you are grounded to prevent static damage. 2. Remove the back cover. Use the Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the back cover. There are several screws located around the perimeter of the device. Keep these screws organized, as you'll need them later. 3. Disconnect the battery. Once the cover is off, locate the battery connector. Disconnect it carefully to avoid any electrical issues while working on the screen. 4. Remove the old screen. Next, locate the screws holding the screen in place. These are usually found at the corners of the display. Remove them with your Phillips screwdriver. If you're unsure of your abilities, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. 5. Detach the screen. With the screws removed, gently use the plastic prying tool to detach the screen from the hinges. Be cautious not to apply too much pressure or you might damage the motherboard. 6. Clean the area. Before installing the new screen, take a moment to clean the internal area. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This ensures better adhesive contact when installing the new screen. 7. Install the new screen. Align the new screen with the hinges and carefully connect the display cable. Ensure that it is securely connected before proceeding. Once it's in place, reattach the screws you previously removed. 8. Reconnect the battery. After the new screen is secured, reconnect the battery. This is crucial as it powers the device during the testing phase. 9. Test the screen. Before sealing the back cover, power on the laptop to check the functionality of the new screen. If you notice any issues, remember, we provide a quote before repair, so you know what to expect. 10. Reassemble the device. If everything is working fine, turn off the device again and carefully replace the back cover, securing it with the screws you organized earlier. 11. Final cleanup. After reassembly, take a moment to wipe the exterior of the laptop with a microfiber cloth to remove any fingerprints or smudges. If you encounter any difficulties during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you to get your laptop repaired without any hassle. Remember, no calls, no travel, just quality service from the comfort of your home. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.